In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find MoneyGram promo code. If you're sending money and want to cut down on fees, this quick guide will help you spot valid discounts and apply them the right way. Start by opening any web browser on your device. Chrome, Safari, or whatever you prefer will work fine. Make sure your connection is stable so pages load quickly and you can copy codes without hiccups. In the search bar, type exactly MoneyGram promo code. Using this precise phrase helps surface current deals and well-known coupon pages. You'll likely see a mix of ads and organic results. Focus on trusted sources rather than random forums or unfamiliar links. From the results, head to reputable coupon websites such as Coupon Follow or Retail Me Not. These sites regularly refresh their listings and show real user feedback, which can give you a sense of what's working today. Once you're there, browse the page for MoneyGram offers. You're looking for things like discounts on transfer fees or a first transfer fee waiver. Pay attention to the short descriptions. Many codes include notes about region, transfer method, or whether the deal is for new or returning customers. When you find a promising offer, click Show Code or Get Code. A small window may pop up, or the site might open a new tab. Carefully copy the code exactly as shown, including any letters, numbers, or dashes. Keep it on your clipboard or paste it somewhere handy for a moment. Now go to the MoneyGram app or website and start your money transfer. Enter your send amount, choose the destination, and set your payment and payout options as you normally would. At checkout, look for the field labeled Enter Promo Code. Paste the code you copied, then click Apply. Give it a second to process. If it works, you should see the transfer fee adjust or a confirmation message showing the discount. If the code doesn't apply, don't worry. Go back to the coupon site and try another option. Check the terms for expiration dates or eligibility requirements, since some codes only work for certain corridors, amounts, or first-time transfers. A quick scan of those details can save you time and get you a working code faster. That's it. You've successfully applied a promo code and saved money on your MoneyGram transaction. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more MoneyGram tips and tutorials.